y'all. So I had some leftover pecan tarts from a different recipe that I got at Target. So I am making these kind of really quick but fun breakfast treats, which are going to be starting off with these cinnamon rolls. These are going to be the original ones, not the grand. So you get 8, not 6. Or is it 5? I think with grands you get 5, but with these you get 8. So I only had 7 of the pecan tarts. So one will be just a regular old cinnamon roll for myself. And yeah, I'm gonna open these up. And did you know that like the cinnamon rolls have like a bottom side and a top side? For some reason I didn't know that. So anyway, I have the top sides up. I'm just going to do 6 to start, and I'm putting on top a piece of wax paper because I'm going to be placing another sheet right on top. And then just press them down. You can use a rolling pin. I'm just using my hands. I think that's good enough. And this kind of makes it like a fun little project for the kids, you know. And once you have them flattened out, we're going to be moving them over to the muffin tin. So take each one of these cinnamon rolls that you flattened out, and then take a pecan tartlet, and you're just going to put that right in the middle. And the reason why we flattened them out is because you're going to make them kind of look like a cup. And yep, you can actually have like, you know, the kiddies help with this too. Gives them like a little morning activity on a holiday morning. And yeah, I just went ahead and threw that last 7th one and just a regular cinnamon roll. And you know, this little hack seems to work all the time. So I just put a little bit of heavy cream on each one. And that's going to make those cinnamon rolls, especially the canned ones, really fluffy. And I'm putting these on the top because I don't know what happens if I put them on the bottom. So if anybody tries that, let me know. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 18 minutes, just like the cinnamon rolls. And look, oh my God, they look so good. It's like the pecan pies kind of like puffed out. I'm gonna transfer those to a little wooden tray, and I'm gonna take that cinnamon roll icing and just drizzle it all over the top. If it's a little stiff, just throw it in the microwave for like 10 seconds and it'll just drizzle out just like that. Then when you're done with all the icing, bring in some extra creamy Ready Whip. Because who doesn't like pecan pie without with whipped cream? So a little bit of whipped cream on top of each one. And it'll be ready to serve. They're super yummy, guys. I hope you make it.